Okay, I just rented this concrete grinder from a local rental place. Cost about $5 a day. I got it on Saturday afternoon. I don't have to turn it back in until Monday, so I get it for like a day and a half for one day. I got a half day Saturday, Sunday. First time I ever used it. I just want to try to help the next guy. Wants maybe think polishing your concrete in your new garage, put some paint on the floor. What I learned is this is the one to go with, the heavy duty gas powered one. The other one only had one disc that turned on it, and I'm sure this is way more heavy duty. It's pretty heavy. It works great. I tell you what, I endorse this thing a million times. That's what I learned. Coarsest grit, you want to put them on the outside of the disc, put the wedge on the inside. That way it has more area, it's bigger area to cover. Not by much, but a little bit. You got to pound them on, get a good ball peen hammer or something, a block of wood, 2x4, pound it in pretty good. I tried using water. I don't like using the water. All it did was make a mess, spread the mud. It caused these to come out because it gripped it. Didn't really, make it easier. It made it harder because it would make the mud and then it would make it stick. PPE, gonna need some kind of dust mask. I'm gonna show you how to start it and do it. Earplugs, of course. You gotta clear out your area. You need good ventilation. Nice day, you won't work clothes. Some safety glasses wouldn't be a bad idea. Turn it on. Okay, that was just one quick pass with the course. And you see how smooth that thing became. Whoa. Compared to this, it's got a lot of sand on top. That number 6 stone, woo, works good. So I hope that helped you. Okay. I got a lot of work to do. But if you're going to do it, that's the one to get right there, bro. The dual gasoline powered concrete grinder. Alright, bye.